Yeah, man, 2085. You don't know that T song that is spill over again from Spice drop that song then stop with the people. Now. You don't know Nuffy is a person who always a call out Spice name, claim to say I'm a part of the team who get the break for Spice. I don't know still now, but them say them usually link and him there expose Spice attack some whole heap of things. Even there talk say your teacher usually dig Spice and all kind of thing. Him just a talk out some things why you don't know Spice up and narrow them thing where they and talk up something where Nuffy usually bring him down and so Nuffy forward pan beauty bring him live now. And I try clear the ear but I still must still bring down the Empress still. You see it, so if you're new around here, just remember to like, comment and share and subscribe to the TV for future upload to get you right as you forward. And also can follow up on Instagram and all over Facebook to at Sandy and Bones TV, you see it. And but we go hear enough here about Spice, you see it. Yeah, man, for you don't know, you can see it's a jealous thing, you see it? Yeah, man. And no people wonder, if you now wonder why Nuffy depend beauty bling thing, yeah, man, Nuffy usually dig beauty bling, man, so you don't know the link from such time, you see it? Yeah.
Your birthday. We reach the part about lady side. We reach the part about Angel and them stuff there. So when Spice has me tell all of them people there, she just not tell your story the right way.
Yeah, but she said that nothing. She does feel away. She come out and attack.
That's why I'm here reason to show you where it start from.
Okay.
Before all of them something was shut off, is me and her a Bill song to give it to Angel and Lady Star. Lisa Hyper way down at 2009. Lisa Hyper way down, you know. Lisa Hyper not come yet, you know. We're talking about the great history where Spice don't have no name and nobody don't know her. And I'm me and Fvck around here and there and everywhere.
Okay.
Those are the things that we're talking about, you know.
Yeah.
To reach right where she tell you about Lisa Ivan, all of them people there, you know. Regardless, all of these people in Portmore, the Vybz Kartel, when him have him crew and him have artists, him call me. And I say, oh, that one your song. I remember me I promote everybody, you know. I meet them on all like big show, you know. If promoter not want them on the show, I fight for them, you know. So, I think reach me in my life where me know say me and Spice we not good. But when we never good, and me make sure say when she got a show, and me a call her, me not left her in her dirt. See? And me make sure. And when I tell you I never good, and I know me and Spice not good a long time, you know. See? That's me look for even every day and tell him so me done with Spice. And them say you can't done with Spice, I chat your chat. And me I put it on the door. Them say I chat your chat, the way you love Spice. See? Listen. Spice career. What happened to Spice in her career? Supposed to live her heart. Over Jammer, Portmore people. On a different level. She's supposed to bust one artist over Portmore. Because what Sting, Leng, Everyday, Earthan, me, Titi, all the ladies on the one come and Sting. And Sizzla and Capitan and Elephant Man and all of them people there. They put on the posters, up on top of the posters, with the Spice and put on top of the posters. And the artists them usually vex. So, when we have said Spice, you know the things where I say, not the earth here. We just have a roof and a beef where I go on, or we go on with the things that I'm not going to say them. I'm not going to say them because I know the things where earth is, and I'm not say them no more. We just move on in the goodness. But out of that beauty,
Yeah.
the level where Spice reach, see, I was predicting all these things when Spice are running from the show, running from ladies hiding from the show. The promoter is doing it. They have to run her down. They have to get the side of the stage. They have to tell her how to do it. They have to help her build the song them. When Spice and her baby father there, she usually tell him to call me. And me have to talk to her, talk to him and tell him what I want to do. And him usually help her write the song there. So sometimes when me hear her, I deal with her baby father somewhere. Hurt me. Because she should deal with him some. Guys, shouldn't deal with it. Everybody love guys, everybody love you. But I don't like when I see some people at text. Some people don't know how devious you can be. I say some things, yes, Nuffy say them. But I know nothing for hurt you. Because at the end of the day, me see one have to support you. Spice. Don't be sure. The promoter call me. Or anything at all. Me I make sure say you the panic, you the panic, Kartel the panic. As some do it, you know, I win the panic. Just like the panic. Sometimes I'm not only promoter call, I'm me, you know. I'm me proper champion in action, Island Explosion, Spring Break, Steak. We not going to talk about something like that. See? So, when you say Nuffy devious against you, Nuffy talk the things them. Yeah, Nuffy talk the things them, but I know me and you deal at them time there. But it's still no Macadam man. But it's still no Queen Paula. But me never did have to tell them nothing. Me can't tell them about your old house. But me tell them about your old house and Nuffy that all out. Queen Paula know you. Macadam man know you, so them know about you. But you say the other things them. What you never want to discuss, you want to bring up all out. But me never say them. I don't know. So I'm not going to say them. Because I know it hurt you. It hurt me too. Because the prediction, when I predict you and say, you're going to be the next dancehall queen when we start calling the princess. Yeah. I remember promoter look at me and tell me, say, you and Yandi have a feel me. You know a promoter look at me and tell me that? You know,
Nothing, me not take up fear, you know. Me not take up fear.
No, man.
You know me have to be real, because you know you're my G.
No, man.
Yeah, but nothing, hear what me I said to you. Me I said to you, she say you do her some things where she can't come back from, right?
Just tell you.
Yeah.
Nah, but talk about them. But just
no, we don't want you to talk about them. Me just I tell you why she really feel how she feel and why she not talk to you. Because she said, it's hard when you have somebody that friend is still in a Nuffy. Me don't know what me don't know what happened.
But me tell you from in the early part, she started.
Okay.
Nobody now contain that in their head. Everybody does a contain say, Spice said Nuffy betray her. Me don't betray your girl.
Okay.
Don't. Why would I betray you? Me and you just do the things them where me do the other people them is the same thing. I'm a trainer, I'm a coach.
Somebody I call.
Me and you are do the things them. Yeah, me them. Yeah, hear me back? Yeah, hear me back?
Yes.
Me and her, we are come from far. So them everything what she do now where happen for her, them MTV, them BT, them some them have to inject. Beauty. Spice run away from a lot of shows. I have me MC. I remember one morning when I show my sister come to me and said Spice gone. I say, gone away. A lady saw her champion in action over Polo Club. I think that you're the one that you them dead. Well, we'll come over our way. And she said, Spice gone. I think me call up assassin. And I said, gone. And tell the ladies are not working. But ladies are forced to work in front of her. And I said, me have to run her down. Because assassin there on the stage, I mean, I really have to call him back. I don't really have to run her to call back assassin. Because he might go perform, I mean, I have to call him back. See? Me have to run her down. And I said, Gracie, where you go? Why have been there, but I know, cause ladies are going to work, and ladies are much of a show done. I say, yeah, that I'm your MC. You know what me have to do beauty when me there on the stage? Because me know that. You know what me have to do? Because ladies are say, she have to come work. You know what me have to do? People. Come here. Let me tell you this. Ladies are say, she have to catch a plane this morning. Ladies are not catch a plane, you know? Yes. She have to catch a plane this morning. And she have work. See? But she have left the princess down there for no. Don't worry. Mama, hear me. Don't worry yourself. I saw me a prime this show. Me a prime it and I say, Mama said, she your work. I left the princess mash up in ya.
Yes.
I saw me set up the artist them for Spice, you know, all the time, you know. I saw me bring her career, you know. So she know how great me is, you know.
Yeah, man, you're great for sure. Me see you bust whole heap of people.
Watch now. Them hurt me in some way. You want me they hurt me in some way, but many people wouldn't see. Because true me know me go the extra mile for them. So when me have some artists and me a promote and them see me, I know she alone, you know. It's not she alone. But true, in at the time, I them me care about Spice and Candy. I them me care about. So everything me a depend, all when them no book and them no dead, I could have foreign me there anywhere. Spice and Candy for one party. Spice and Candy. You can't pay me for that. Spice, you cannot pay me for that. You can't. But true, me never have no sense. In all them things, me do the music, just in the love. Me never sign nobody. Me just do everything out of natural causes because you got talent. I know you want me to try, but so when me hear you say, Nuffy is just an MC, me call up Beanie, me call up Bunty, me call up this, me call up that, why me don't claim them? Spice, me have to claim you because me groom you. Me groom you. Me no groom nobody else like how me groom you and Gandhi. Gandhi teach me enough of the thing. Gandhi not gonna lie you. Gandhi teach me because he out there with look wicked. Him teach me enough of the thing because he make me learn with DJ. But me's a man will know everything about the thing. And him you should help and you know help him. So them things that did kinda hurt me. Although him fuck up against me. Because the song name Spice and Elephant. How Spice get the song? How Spice get the song? Because remember, say Spice I go a sting and I go everywhere. So every artist we at, Spice will counteract the song the next way. And she can't do it off her own. Me have to do it. That's why when me hear her song again, I'm going to say, no, that Spice write that. I say, yes, those are the songs that we would I write. But me say, I know the song where I go continue is a stage show song. Just like how I like when she come back to her roots right now. Because me I go get my crown in now. I'm going to really love Mrs. Spice come and sting that area 2024.
So she not the past thing.
You see? When Sting did no, I never said did, you know. A 5-year sting. You call it a 5-year sting no keep because me not did it. Because from me take over from 1999, Sting ever mad and bad. And it's still bad. But a year like come here, I get my crown in. But I really love to have her there. Spice, come out of your feelings with me and you forget about. Think about everything when me just say on in it. Stop think about your feelings about when me did say.
That would be nice. That would be nice.
That not stop you from eat. That no, you pick them. Sorry, your kids. Your kids. I set it for you to make sure say you have it. I remember going to Stone Love. The same rich feelings what she have around her. The same rich feelings. At night I remember I walk up and down with Gandhi and Spice. You know, walk up and down, you know. No, Gandhi Spice. Them not there. Them not for there. Them there in them bed enough time and me there. Come me roam the street.
Yeah. May I hear you?
Fly history.
No man, it's not me, I hear you. But Nuffy, that would be nice for real. She come out her feelings and go back, even if it not go back to normal, but be at Sting to see you get your crowning. And we're going to talk about that later and see if Spice can look into little things.
Me say what me say, I mean I be a man, me say what me say because me that fi say them because you don't pay me no mind. I'm hungry that lick me at time because a little thing reach me. I'm hungry that lick me and me I say, so Spice don't see me. She don't hear what happened to me. Trust me.
Yep, that would be a very good thing, Nuffy, if she come.
Listen,
trust me.
Listen, beauty, I tell you the truth. That girl know what I've done for her. So it's two little argument where everybody and she have some people, some little minions, some people where she have when I understand women do. Enough time me get disrespect. You know, hear the man telling in that early part. Enough time. I train this girl on the stage, you know. Vybz Kartel know them something me at do, you know. Beauty me can tell you, you know, and I like Kartel is more Spice. Kartel no Spice too Nuffy, you know.
Yeah.
Me, I bring them, you know. I'm here for me talk to look. All right. For me, Spice and Movado vex. Spice and Kartel vex. Spice and Kartel never vex it. The only reason for you still continue with Kartel, and that's why I know I'm going to them something. And them something they should brother with me. Because I'm too truthful, brother. Them no like me because I'm too truthful. I'm going to talk the truth. Because I really candidate to get a hell. Because this song, Elephant's going to fly from them robbing. Yandy never sing this song. Yandy them have a boo you. Yeah, sing the song. Give Spice the song. And him say, nah, give her. And I said, no, DJ, I could hear you know. And I said, Dan, nah, give her, you know, because Spice now remember me, you know. Because Spice on the phone, you know. Because she was at the range there with this time. I have a song for you, boy. That song your name 100 forward. Me say that song your name 100 forward.
What is the song?
Yes. I know a Spice song, you know, she no write no song, you know, Gandhi write the song, you know, I have the song, and me tell him, you can't sing the song, Gandhi. Elephant to fly from them rabbit. They say you cannot sing the song, them have a boo you. As Spice of sing the song is a woman. That's how I train them, you know, because I know everything. Because me lock the stage, me I go set the stage for them. Me know what to do. Beauty, you hear me? No, it's all gone.
Yes.
Oh, see, so I'm saying, when me call her, she come over Gandhi yard. I'm a DJ song. Because Gandhi in himself is still mad and I say, boy, nah, get on a song in a danka. The girl, nah, go help me when the time coming up. I mean, I say, nah, man, we are talking about Gandhi, man, a one team, man. A one team, man. A 19 forward. If forward with Spice again, let me tell you Spice forward. The way I'm a biller. Spice forward, them usually start from the back and come in front and left back from the front and guy back. Some wavy forward. You ever watch football it where everybody just get up and something just like so? And them way them train, I body stink on the ground. That's ladies get afraid. Call me a MC, but we still respect her. And when ladies are the one come and sting, a Spice will take and put on top of my posters. However, Jam Roll should stay. And when Spice I go too loud, we go right eye corner, eye side, eye box. And we are talk to the bandsman and I tell them, say, low. You have pitch too low. I'm coming down tell her already now. And she will see me over the corner and look at me and say, and them will tell her, say, I saw me train her. He knows. Say, nothing. But the things when me and her personally have a some personal thing, they say, but me that say them because I want to pay me attention, but it never work in another format then. I know things about her, but and a quick faller, me tell them something there. I'm Maca Diamond, me never have to tell them nothing. I leave the Fpck 2009. And what happened right there, so beauty? The thing come out with Lisa Hype. Let me go get that history there. The thing come out with Lisa Hype.
Yeah.
And the world begged me to save her.
To save who?
Lisa Hype.
Okay, me wish me didn't know her them time they come here, just tell her to fet up to it.
Hold on. Now show you, Nuffy is a great youth, you know. You see the youth in Vybz Kartel. Sometimes if you see him not give me no whole heap of glory certainly, but him respect me. But to me I'm my own man and I do my own thing. See?
Yeah.
Me just do what I have to do because I saw me start out for a long time. I'm for everybody. I'm a peace person. I'm a unity person. See? When the thing happened, and Lisa left the camp, everybody called on my phone. Everybody called me, Nuffy, help her, make you can't help her, so. Remember me a Gaza, you know. Remember me a say Kartel from nothing to something. Remember me a say Kartel for run a PC, you know. Not found them, not people them never know when Kartel a train and a DJ. Run our place Kartel train, run a PC when Kartel just a look shorty, you know.
Why would they hear gunshot fire about Lisa?
See? So, in the time of that, the people them come to me and say, Nuffy help, and Sting I go come up at the time. Nuffy help Lisa. Alright, me have Lisa, me train her for 2.5 weeks. At 2.5 weeks, we train Lisa for in a beauty. Two Sting, you know. See? 2.5 weeks, we train Lisa for two Sting. on the Punani and the showtime. I say, listen me. You see the rhythm when we are DJ pan, you can't go over Jammerel for DJ them go boo you. See? Me sit down and build the song them like what would I do with Spice. Then I'm not a warrior. See? Me sit down and build the song them for Lisa because I think Lisa and Stacious it go out as Stacious big up yourself same way. So and a Spice on me one in a war, I'll Stacious too. Sometimes I war against Maka too. And a Spice one. I war against Maka with Spice. I war against Queen Paula with Spice. So when Spice I say, don't tell no lie, man. Just me know see the things they want to say at them they you know want to you just only put them in a space. See? And not really that. See? Because me I give it a Spice me I bring. When Spice bring the donkey on the stage, a Spice me I bring Maka no come because Maka no say nothing come. Because I know me I run the race with Spice. That's the same here there. Maka know. And look at me and Maka today. We in and we out.
But you ever explain them to her? Or get a chance to explain, say, right?
No. Okay. One don't know Spice and I know. She knows. Listen what Spice doing. Spice have the platform now and she's the person. So, even when Nara them talk about it was sports, because I hear no one she say, me I come from far. If I even write this, I just can explain myself. Because I've been at so when me after a long time, and every time nobody come like them now believe me. So that's why it get me Europe now for me talk the things them when I really know. You see she answer now, you hear me have to talk nothing? Eh? True. Me not have to talk nothing because she come recognize me now. But what hurt me? Spice reached to the level. But Spice could have the far in the America scene, you know why Spice not go far.
Well, she make a name for herself in Nuffy.
Hold on, you make a name for yourself, but he could have got deeper in like what you say Sean Paul thing, but deeper inside. You know what? You left your right hand. Your right hand is nothing. The man who they run up, listen. The position and the place them where you reach. Because some usually do. When me get to show them, and nobody don't put them up on the show, and only not up on the show, none at all, to fight for them. Spice me and a friend, and promoter call me, nothing more I find Spice. Call every day. Call, say a number you have Spice. Every day, you have Spice now, you know you have a number. Give me a number, then call Ray Alexander. Alright, I'm going to call me and say, Nuffy, who we put on the show? I said, it's a use Spice and so, it's thing over. I saw me do it, you know. That's enough.
It's nothing. Hold on now. Hold on. We hear everything we ask, but we have to ask the question.
Right.
Later, we're going to add 3 people to come ask you. Later, we're going to add 3 people to come ask you 2 questions. Not now. Remember when you're ready to go, you can't make we know, because we know you're a busy man. People, hear me I say. Me not see no gifts. I don't know how me stay when me not see no gifts, my love. The tappings not reach 100K.
Yeah.
No bother with the foolishness. So no send some gift because give Nuffy and me. Make Nuffy the same can come over here regular because they man and I want to come over here. No. I send him an interstellar, a lion, a whale, somebody, any little thing to him get to come over here because we're going to need him over here again. So let's send some gift, go get the big one.
Yeah,
Yeah, but you can't come over here. Let's send some gift, go get enough make we see.